just like to demonstrate to you the grouting. In your DIY kits, you get your grout. I always prefer to throw out most of it, at least half of it. Because we've kept our towels so nice and close together, you're really not going to use a lot of it. There's always more than enough. Now, I've thrown out half of it or so that I can carry on adding in. Mix it to a very thick consistency. You want it to be like a paste. More than watery, you want it to be like a putty. You could use a white grout if the towels that you're using are light in color, or I usually like to use black with most of my projects, just because it really brings out the colors of your towels really nice, and obviously it goes with everything. So a really thick paste. If need be, you can use what's extra and just add a little bit of powder with it, rather that way than to have it too watery.